You inspired me to jungle and you're always kind. That's why you deserve the subs. Oh. Speaking of being kind. I think we start top. Our top laner is an Udyr one-trick, who's auto-filled, playing Mordekaiser into Warwick. And I am worried that he might get slaughtered by this Warwick. This Warwick is a Warwick one-trick, he's probably gonna murder him. But hopefully he can manage to just play safe and survive in the 1v1 and just scale on this Mordekaiser. One can only hope. So I did say in Champ Select I'm not the biggest fan of this jungle matchup. That is mostly because Graves and Italy work very similarly. It's very similar champs. With the main difference being that Graves scales better, but Nidalee is stronger early. And is able to make a lot more plays. Graves is a bit more on the passive side. So when playing this matchup, I'm always nervous about invades, because defending myself isn't necessarily the easiest against Nidalee. And I'm also nervous about her pressuring my lanes while I'm weak and not able to help them. Exactly like what we're seeing happening to my bot lane right now. Braum has flash. Maybe we can save him. Nidalee has no flash. We should have her here. The wave is not in the greatest spot. I need to push it. I guess we have to push it. It's so doomed though. Kalista's gonna lose so much. I was thinking about just letting it stay, but I guess pushing it is the better option. The mid laner's coming. Wait, what? My flash! My flash! My flash! No, my flash! No, but... No, but... No, but... Why did my... My flash, I didn't get... How did that flash not get me over the wall? How did I fail that? What is wrong with me? Oopsie. I'm trolling so hard right now, I need to focus up. Oh, that was a nice play. Actually well played by Nautilus, he kept blocking me so I couldn't reach TF and hit him. We have Braum here. Just making sure I don't get aggro so I don't die. Oh god. Oh, spicy. Oh, they're fighting 1v1. Believe in the Mordekaiser. I think he dies, but I hope he proves me wrong. Yeah, he's dead. Oh, I wish this Mordekaiser played differently. I hate seeing people do this, being auto-filled, playing against someone who's on their main role and main champion. And instead of just playing safe top while being auto-filled, he keeps trying to outplay him. Now as a result he died twice and Warwick is going to be ultra fat and hard to deal with for the rest of the game. He's just extremely greedy. Should just play safe. Are they over there or what? I have my Braum with me. I'm fairly safe here. Nidalee's here. Maybe I should space. Oh, there's a ward on me. Nidalee's really fat now. I think I'm fine. I'm fine. Not sure what's Talia though. Oh shit, she tanked the spear. She's one shot, I think. She trolled. You can't get hit by that. This is the part where playing against Nidalee is gonna be really annoying. Because I can never fight her. She's too fit. I could have stayed for the midwave, but I just wanted tempo, get back on the map faster. She's gonna take my top side and probably do Drake as well. Or not Drake, Herald. But now if she does Herald, I can look for Reds and Drake, so I get something in return. Let's see if we can make a play bot. We don't know for sure if she did Herald or not. So she could be bot soon as well, and we need to be mindful, because if we walk into her, you know the drill, she slaughters us. He is indeed here. It's not looking enjoyable. Not at all. Everyone's gonna die. It looks like Nidalee doesn't care about objectives at all. She didn't do Herald earlier when she could have gotten it for free. And now she didn't do Drake when it was free either. If TF plays this aggressively, I was about to say, it means this jungle is here. I'm dead. This game is so fucked. It's so doomed. Herald had 19 health, I think. What a struggle. What is the problem, Zalia? It's not like she's doing better than TF by any means, so I'm not sure why she thinks this entire thing is my fault. This Zalia has mental problems, let's mute her. We're not gonna let her ruin our moods. He seems to be having a very bad day, and having a bad day is not something to be ashamed of. Having mental problems is not something to be ashamed of either, but just taking all your emotions and taking out all the frustration on your jungler for absolutely no reason while you have 1-4 and the enemy TF is 2v8ing the game alongside Nidalee. That's rather unacceptable, I'm not gonna lie. That is rather unacceptable. The game is out of control. We have 3 losing lanes and enemy junglers 9-1. But it's a tough time. It's a tough time. He ults, we can kill. But I need him to press R now. Mordekaiser? There we go. That's the ult I was waiting for. Oh my god, this guy just sidestepped my ult, are you serious? Wow. He just sidestepped it. Crazy. I'm not gonna worry too much about how the game is looking right now. Because obviously if we look at the game state, there's a very high chance we're gonna lose. But there's no point letting that get to me. I'm getting frustrated. Because it's all out of my control anyways. Like I can't change the past, or I can't do anything about what's about to happen. What I can do is to try to focus and try my best to look for comeback plays, to defend my camps and to stay relevant in the game. And when it comes to farming, we've done well. We're even with Nidalee, 97 CS on both of us, but obviously she has a lot of kills, which makes it tricky to keep up with her. Our bot lane is smurfing now, they're doing so well, finding so many great plays. I mean, they were doing well earlier too. It's just the TF roams, it's been causing problems. Like, looks like we're dead. I'll try to play around Killistan Braum, see if I can avoid crazy fights without them. Flashed. Got the stun. I love how Nozzle just suicided. Can we? I don't think we can. I think we need to be happy with the 1 kill we got there. And leave it at that. They went 2 flashes as well, so maybe next fight we can get more. It's good if we can get Drake. They're not gonna be playing for soul this game for sure. Because there's 0 drakes at 17 minutes, but if we can stack some and play for soul ourselves, that would give us an extra win condition. It's a little bit risky for me to go for it here, because we're completely dark bot side with 0 vision. And I'm all alone, but I might be able to burn it down. I'm at the very least gonna give it a try. It's an objective bounty suit. That's so good for us. Put some vision. The Mordekaiser has river vision if they move on him. Raven, not Warwick, no flashes. I'm gonna lead Lord Doms now. Honestly, I think going Berserkers was a pretty big mistake this game. I have 0 tenacity. I should have gone Mercs for sure. Berserkers are too greedy. I'll probably sell them and swap them to Mercs soon. Down to 5 if they overextend, but we are only 3. Actually, I almost got Nautilus there. That was kind of close. So I killed 1, but at what cost? So far just a 1 for 1. We can be happy with that. Oh my god, this song is a banger. Oh yeah, here we go. Get that party started. I love this song is great. Oh, hold on friends, I'm coming. I'm moving to help. Oh, they're all dead. They're just getting steamrolled. Couldn't help them even if I wanted to. Oh no. We're dead. See you in heaven, friends. It's doomed. That's a lot of damage. Wow. I think we're gonna lose Baron here, unfortunately. Not looking ideal. We have 2 drakes, just gonna stack some more of those. CF just perma ults, it's so annoying. He just always is ult up, making plays, finding my position. That's the thing, so it's not only about him like making plays with ult, he just keeps spotting us everywhere, so it's hard for us to get picks and catch them off guard. They always know where we are. Okay, only Nidalee is left. That was pretty insane. That worked very well. Oh, would you look at that wave? Juicy. I can promise you Talia is spam pinging me right now, but she's fully muted so we couldn't care less. Like, considering how brutal this early game was, I gotta say we're doing a pretty good job buying time for ourselves to catch up. Pretty insane we haven't lost yet. And I'm scaling. I'm getting strong. I am farming like an absolute machine right now. Only gets a TP then. I thought it was a little too dangerous hitting this, but maybe I was wrong. I actually could have gotten that turret. My bad. I was too afraid of hitting. Once I get IE, it's gonna be good. But we do keep in mind that IE is pretty far away. And I need to figure out what I'm buying before going IE. Because obviously if I buy IE right now, well, then I'm not gonna have 60% crit. And the IE buy would be really troll. You need 60% for it to pay off. Maybe going Lord Doms was a mistake. Maybe I should just have gone Ceruleus, going full lethality. That might have been the play. Could have been the case. I think I'll go Blood first actually. I think we go for the Blood first to purchase here. Get the lifesteal, get IE 5th. If we do get it to 5 items, I'll 1v9 for sure, but I mean, And Italy is still 18-1, so there's a bit of work to do for us to make it there. Here we go, guys. Get the steal. We did not get the steal, unfortunately. Worth a try. Maybe we can fight for Drake now, though. It's 5v4. Last time they got Baron, we killed them pretty quickly and bought a lot of time. Now we're just gonna do the same. Back to full HP. We still have more the ults. We are pretty out of position now. They could just run down mid. It doesn't look like they're doing so. Mordekaiser wants Grump, so I guess I'll let him have it. He doesn't have much CS. Partly because I've been farming waves a lot. I can't believe how poorly they're snowballing. Like, part of the game lasting so long obviously is us playing well from behind, not making a lot of mistakes, not getting caught out, but with their lead, they just shouldn't be giving us so much time. They should just close it out, like pressure us. Also because it's not like Nidalee scales well. It's an early game champion. You need to get a lead in early game, snowball mid game, but then you get outscaled in late game if you don't do anything. And that's kind of the point we're getting close to here. I'll just buy a null magic for now. Because otherwise Nidalee can one-tap me. She probably can regardless, to be fair. But we used our Morde ult on their support. Not sure if I like that. But let's see how it goes. Yeah, definitely did not like that. That was really troll. So many good targets for him. So many people he can remove from the fight. At least nothing too bad happened. It could have ended a lot worse than that. They have a Sonya on their Warwick, by the way. This is Soul for us, but I don't know if we can move in. Maybe we can. We're more than CP, but we kind of need his ult. Okay, we're kind of making the game spicy right now, because they're gonna come behind us. We need to fight here. Inhib doesn't matter. It's all about winning this fight. Luckily, we have damage. So do they. Oh, that sucks. Mordekaiser didn't ult. I don't know, maybe it was in cooldown. Damn. This is brutal. I actually thought we could win that fight when Warwick went in like that, but maybe it lost us the game. Most of them are just chasing, so I don't think they end. But it depends on how well Taliyah and Mordekaiser can play. So far Taliyah is doing work. I need vision. I have to steal this. I need vision, bro. I did not steal. God damn it. Lost the 50-50 again. It's so hard to outsmite this Nidalee. Her Q damage does 1 billion damage. It's possible, but it's very difficult. Man, we've been stalling this game for so long. I don't want to lose now. That would feel very bad. We need to stall that Baron again. I am unreal strong. I have a lot of damage. We just need a decent fight and then I think I can carry. We need to get back to bot soon, but if we can push out mid first, that'll be good. They're not even pushing bot. Oh! No, Mordekaiser ulted! We would have one-shot TF if he didn't ult that. Oh, these Morde ults are so troll. Oh, Mordekaiser is griefing us with these ults. Okay. It's not over yet. Just holding the wave a little here. Oh my god, get baited, kids! Get baited! Get absolutely dunked on! Boom! We take those! It's winnable! Oh my lord! You love to see it. I told you all I'm strong! I just killed 5 people. Wow! I have IE now as well. Let's bring the damage. Bring the power! Let's go! I need to push top. Actually, I don't. I need to sprint to Drake, but yeah, I have to go to Drake. Just hope TF doesn't TP top. Nidalee is alive. She's gonna try to steal. I'm full build, so I don't really need this farm. I'm mostly taking it to prevent them from getting it. Oh my god. Oh my god, come on. Come on! We can win this game! I'm so excited. I really want to win. I want to win so badly. Come on, curling captain, come on! You can't choke now. Focus! Probably gonna come down to Baron, isn't it? 140 on it. We've been in this one for 40 minutes at this point. What a banger. I thought we would lose in 15 minutes with how early game went, but no. Not the case. Oh, no. No. Guys, don't get caught. Don't get caught. Please just get out. I'm on my way. I'm on my way, guys. Mordekaiser's power spiking. He's getting close to 20 deaths. If there's a 0-10 power spike, there's gonna be one for 20 deaths as well, right? That's when you spike for real. That's like the ultra spike. Fine, I think. No! 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 My bad! My bad! No! I couldn't afford making a mistake! No!
Your turret has been destroyed. Your turret has been destroyed. A summoner has disconnected.
What is wrong with me? I played so well for so long. I thought Nautilus ult was down for some reason. I thought his ult was down. And I was wrong. I was so wrong. Pain, I know, right? Why did you throw it, Jesus? You throw it, man. Why? Broxah! How dare you? Why did you throw the game? Why did you ruin the game from your team? Well, do you think it was on purpose or what? Open your eyes! I was tryharding for 30 minutes, for God's sake! Jesus, give me a break. This sucks. I wanted to win so badly. I was trying for my life. I was trying so hard. You played that really well though, man. It happens. And if Morda hadn't died, it would have put you all in that. Oh, yeah, I mean, oh man. It was close. It was a banger. I'm sad we lost, but I'm glad the game happened, because it was absolutely wild. Like, what a mental game. Completely unreal. Absolutely surreal game.